Welcome to the Fact Pinata. My name is Sion and today we'll be going over 10 animals you're glad are extinct.
Meganeura, also known as giant dragonflies. It lived in the late Carboniferous period around 300 million years ago. It had a wingspan of 65 to 70 centimeters. It was a carnivore with a 30 centimeter long body and weighed over 210 grams. Increased oxygen meant that they grew very large. Decline of atmospheric oxygen meant extinction for Meganeura. Forest racids, also known as terror birds. They lived in the Cenozoic era about 62 to 1.8 million years ago. They were 10 feet tall and weighed over 1,000 pounds. They killed prey by pecking them to death. Climate change and loss of habitat meant extinction for the terror birds. Jacalopterus, also known as sea scorpion. It lived in the Devonian age about 444 to 416 million years ago and would grow up to 8.5 feet long. It had serrated claws for ripping their prey apart and weighed 180 kilograms. It had potent venom which is not matched by scorpions today. It went extinct due to natural disasters. Titanoboa, also known as giant killer reptile. It lived in the Paleogene period about 58 to 60 million years ago. It grew up to 50 feet long and 3 feet wide. It weighed about 1.25 tons and killed prey via asphyxiation. The Titanoboa went extinct due to climate change. Arthropleura, also known as yellow-legged centipede. It lived in the Carboniferous period about 345 to 295 million years ago and could grow up to 8.5 feet. Covered in hard armored plating, it was an omnivore. This massive centipede had no known predator. Their venom would slowly paralyze their victims, and they ended up dying out of climate. Dunkleosteus, also known as the armored fish. It lived during the late Devonian period about 358 to 382 million years ago. It was a 33-foot long 4-ton monster. It didn't have any true teeth, instead had the skull's bony plate sharpened into fangs. It went extinct due to an asteroid collision. Tyrannosaurus rex, also known as king of the tyrant lizards. It lived during the Cretaceous period, about 83.6 to 66 million years ago. It could grow up to 6.1 meters tall with a bite force of 12,800 pounds. It could run at the speed of 27 kilometers per hour, and the largest T-Rex tooth found was a foot long. It went extinct due to an asteroid collision. Megalodon, also known as the big-toothed shark. It lived during the early Miocene period, about 23 to 3.6 million years ago, and could grow up to 67 feet long. Its jaws bite force was 108,500 to 182,200 newtons. Their teeth were built for grabbing prey and breaking bones. Cooling down of climate and lack of prey made these giant predators go extinct. Helicoprion, also known as the buzzsaw killer. It lived during the Permian period, about 290 million years ago. It could grow up to 39 feet long. It had spirally arranged clusters of teeth called tooth whorls in the lower jaw. It mauled its prey by rotating its jaw mid-bite. Rhamphorhynchus imperator, also known as the beak crocodile. It lived during the Miocene era, about 23.3 million years ago, and could grow up to 60 feet long and 20 tons in weight. It was a carnivore that gets its name from the beak-like snout. It went extinct due to climate change.
Don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment down below for future video ideas.